Hey, good morning again. We just finished those gingerbread cookies and then we made the big gingerbread man that kind of fell apart. Okay, we're going to take these and we're going to just have a wonderful time with our gingerbread cookies. But let me ask you a question. What goes great with gingerbread cookies?
Ice cream!
That's right! That's right. So we are going to make up some ice cream in this container, homemade ice cream. Most of you know, if you're my age, that we used to use two sizes of coffee cans, one big one, one little one, put the ingredients in the little one, put it down inside the big can, then we put the salt and the ice around it, put the lid on it, tape it up really good so it doesn't fall off, and then roll it back and forth. Remember that?
It's real frosty and cold.
Yeah, and you roll it back and forth for about 20 minutes. This is a new way to do real fresh ice cream. So, let's do it.
This is how easy it is. This recipe only calls for 3 ingredients. We've got half and half, but you can make it with cream or milk. We're going to use some sugar and then some flavoring. And today we're just going to use vanilla because the gingerbread cookies are so good, right? Yep. So we're going to make it real easy. Just pre-measure. We dump everything in here. And we're going to put a little bit of vanilla in for some flavoring. And now
wait a minute, do we need this?
No power tools for this recipe.
Oh.
No fun.
Okay, I got it open.
And
now this is the side where the ingredients go, and then you turn it over when we do the ice, after you put the lid back on. Turn it over, then you put the ice and the rock salt in. So let's start with the ingredients.
Okay.
Yay!
Oh, this is going to be so good.
Perfect. It's going to be good. So we'll close up the lid, tighten it down. Other side. Now we're going to put the ice and the rock salt in.
Okay.
So we put a little ice in first, and it goes all around the cylinder. The way it says to do it is to put some ice in and then be generous with some of the rock salt. As you can see, the rock salt goes in.
The rock salt makes it colder.
That's right.
Makes the ice cream faster.
Little rock salt in. We put a little more ice in. Okay, I think we got enough. We're going to close it up. And then let's get the ice cream, get the cookies. You think it's ice cream? I hope so too. Ah, we did it!
It's here.
We did it! Look, it's ice cream.
Oh my gosh.
Taste it. No, let me taste. Let me taste.
Good.
Let me taste. Give me a taste.
That's good. You know what?
Oh my gosh, that's great.
I was thinking, you know, it's almost lunchtime, right?
Yeah.
So what do you have for lunch? Guess what?
With the cookies? Oh my God, make one. Their kids are going to be here. Oh, you're kidding me. That is good.